Naku, tanggaan na. Naku,
Bumato ng bola si Strotes.
frustrated na ito si Strotters.
Palagi ko nga, naubusan to si Strotes ng gasolina. Strotes.
Naku,
Nag-iimbento. Baka sumusuko na itong San Miguelito. Fields. Pinapogi na konti. Sunny Alvarado. Flexing his muscle after the shot. And the lead is up to 19 points.
naku, tanggaan na. Naku,
Bumato ng bola si Strotes.
frustrated na ito si Strotters.
Masama ang pagkakasahod kay Strothers and he's feeling the heat, no? Una-una, meron daw siyang iniindang injury. Pero sa first few minutes kanina, hindi siya nagpapakita ng iniindang injury. Si Sunny Alvarado, motioning to his bench. Kinatabik ang balikan niya, asking for a substitution.
Medyo napagod na rin dahil yung kahit na ginawa niya rito, grabe.
Strothers, bumangga kay Alvarado. And finally, a foul. All by Varela.
Ito sila mga Strotters, ano, may tendency rin mag-init ito, pero ang nangyayari kasi, he's taking his teammates out of the offense and taking over by himself.
Si Alvarado merong problema, though he had an explosion, and what an explosion dito